Click App Launcher, then search for and select Cases. Click the arrow next to Recently Viewed and select All Open Cases. Search for case number 0001002 and click on the case. Click Setting and click Edit Page. Click inside the Record Details component in the Details section. Give it a moment for the Record Details panel to load on the right side of the screen. Once the panel appears, locate the Upgrade Now button on the right-hand side. Now, in the Properties pane, click Upgrade Now to enable dynamic forms. Click Next. Now, select the Case Layout page layout. Once selected, click Finish to complete the setup. In the Case Information section, click the Quick Summary field. For the Prompt Template option, search for and select Quick Summary. Click Save and then Activate. Click the Assign as Org Default button. On the Assign Form Factor screen, select both Desktop and Phone. Then, click Next. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. Click back to leave Lightning App Builder. In the App Launcher, search for Cases. Open case 0001002. On the case record page, locate the Details pane. Now, click Edit on the Quick Summary field. Next, click Get Einstein's help in creating this field value on the right side of the field. This automatically opens the Einstein overlay and uses your prompt template to start a new conversation. Give it a moment while Einstein generates the response. In a few seconds, Einstein will suggest a case summary for the record. Click Use to insert the generated summary into the field. Now, click the X icon to close the Einstein overlay. Notice that the Quick Summary field is automatically populated with the generated response. Finally, click Save to update the record. With just a few clicks, your users can unlock the power of Agentforce to quickly generate meaningful content and focus on higher-value tasks. The conversational experience allows users to refine the generated response in real time, and they can always make additional edits after the content is inserted into the field. Great job building such a powerful and practical prompt template.